don't let the girl, just because she's nervous, don't let her make you nervous. Like when you want to go in for a kiss, and the girl can tell that you want to kiss her, she's gonna start getting nervous. She's gonna start, her mind's gonna start racing, her heart's gonna start beating. Don't let that make you nervous, because that used to make me nervous all the time. I'm like, why is she freaking out? I just want to kiss the girl. She's giving me a crazy reaction, and then I would start to get nervous. But you actually have to be the one to calm her down, and then she will see how calm you are, and she will start to relax. And then you just go in for the kiss. You go in for the hair, pull it in, calm. Everything should be calm. And that should be your state when you go up and you approach a girl. Just relax. Like you want to put her in a hypnotic state. Relax. Calm down. Chill. Chill the fuck out. That's also a skill, not being affected by other people's emotional states, because people have different reactions to you. But if you just calm and relaxed, then they will start to settle down.